Using your EBT card at Walmart self-checkout is a straightforward process that can help you save time and efficiently complete your grocery shopping. To begin, ensure you have your EBT card and a valid PIN number. First, locate a self-checkout lane at your local Walmart store. Once you have found a self-checkout station, touch the screen to start the checkout process. Select the language of your choice and then choose the Pay with Card option. Next, insert your EBT card into the card reader and enter your PIN number when prompted. The machine will then ask you to select the type of benefits you want to use, such as food or cash benefits. Choose the appropriate option and confirm. Start scanning your items by either using the barcode scanner or by manually entering the item number. Make sure to scan all the items you wish to purchase. If you have any coupons or discounts, you can apply them at this stage. Once you have scanned all your items, the self-checkout machine will display your total. Review your purchase to ensure everything is correct. If you need to make any changes, you can do so now. After verifying your purchase, select the Confirm button to proceed to payment. The self-checkout machine will then deduct the total amount from your EBT card. Wait for the confirmation that your payment has been processed successfully. Finally, take your receipt and collect your change if any. Remove your EBT card from the card reader and make sure you have all your items before leaving the self-checkout lane. It is essential to keep your EBT card and PIN number secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently use your EBT card at Walmart self-checkout. Remember to always keep your card and PIN number safe and be mindful of your account balance to avoid any issues during the checkout process.